So, you love fast cars and work in production? Is your company using SAP? Then you need to hear this. During a pit stop, everything is perfectly prepared. Every tool is in exactly the right position, each movement meticulously choreographed, for every second counts. The faster the car is back on the track, the better. And the only way to place on the winner's podium is through efficient processes. Ideally, the same is the case on your production line. Every tool, every resource, and the required data are available at the right machine at the right time. In this way, machine idle time is minimized and efficiency increases. But in reality, this ideal is hard to achieve. Why? Often, engineering and production work in different system worlds with their respective data. This makes the whole process vulnerable to error. Delays occur, or even worse, a production run fails. Our solution for your organization, Factory Control Center. It connects your engineering department to production by means of a continuous system. All stages in the process, from concept to production, access the same data. Factory Control Center is installed on top of your existing SAP system. All production-relevant data and processes, from tool data and CAM through to planning and D&C, are therefore directly made available in SAP. With the shop floor engine, you can provide all relevant data to each work center directly, straight out of SAP. This means, for example, that assembly machinery is assigned operations for the whole day. All information is in one system. Your work processes are running smoothly. The necessary information is provided to both man and machine when they need it, right along the production line. The result: maximum machine operating time, optimum efficiency, delivering outstanding cost savings. Factory Control Center. Your production in the fast lane.